Now let's talk about laundry on the Norwegian Star. And like all cruise lines, they do operate an on-ship laundry service. It is quite pricey though. Undergarments $1.95, socks $1.95, pajamas $7.95, shorts $4.95, jeans $7.95. You get the idea. It's quite a pricey laundry service if you're going to get individual items done. But halfway through the cruise now, and they've come up with this laundry offer, okay, which gives us a bag of laundry for $34 for one full bag. Now, we've used this on other cruises in the past, and it's worked out a really good cost saving. So what we'll do is we'll try and bundle as much as we can into our bag that they've given us, and we'll see what our cost savings we can make. So what we're going to do, we're going to try and fit this lot into our laundry bag. I think it's 2 pairs of jeans, 2 pairs of pajamas, and 4 t-shirts. So we'll work out if we can get it in the bag, and then we'll see what sort of cost savings we're going to realise. Well, that's been a real bonus. We've got 13 items in the bag, actually, more than we originally planned to. It's actually quite a big bag. Let's work out what the cost savings are. Okay, so what have we got in our laundry bag? Good size laundry bag. We've got 2 pairs of pajamas. We've got 2 pairs of shorts, 2 pairs of jeans, 6 t-shirts, 1 cardigan. So that gives us like 13 items. And when we worked it out, that's over $70. It was like $72, $73 to get that all laundered if we hadn't taken advantage of the laundry offer. So laundry offer $34, that's a $40 saving, at the end of the day. So that's definitely worth doing. So there's a good money saving tip for you when you're on the Norwegian Star. Just hang back on your laundry a bit, maybe do some hand washing yourself like we've been doing, and then take advantage of the laundry offer and make a real money saving. 24 hours later and our laundry is returned. That's pretty speedy service. Let's have a quick look. All washed and neatly folded. Absolutely smashing. That's pretty good value and a good cost saving too.
Please like and subscribe.